Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher and I'm an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today I'll briefly show you how to search for an article in the database PsycARTICLES on APA PsycNET. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. From our homepage, look to the upper left of your screen and click on the link that says Online Resources. All of our online databases are organized in two ways, alphabetically with letter tabs at the top, and by subject on the right. PsycARTICLES on APA PsycNET begins with the letter P, so I'll go ahead and click on the letter P tab. Once I find my database, I'll go ahead and click on its name. The database features several boxes to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for works about stress and mental health, you simply put each term or each concept in its own box. Now that I've typed in both my terms, I'll go ahead and click the search button. The database will then show you a list of all of its contents that contain the two terms you searched for. To access any article, simply click on its title. You'll be taken to the article's Detail Record page. Here, you can find author listings, publication facts, as well as an abstract, and suggestions for related material. The article can be read by clicking on the PDF button on the right side of your screen. It can also be saved for later by clicking on the download icon on the upper right of your screen. This has been a brief tutorial in using PsycARTICLES on APA PsycNET. If you need further assistance, please browse related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.